Welcome to EPL Prizm 2951. This is a random team break. We are going to randomize this list 5 times. A team on top at the end will go to person spot 1. Team on the bottom will go to the person in spot 20. That's how it works in an EPL Prizm break. Here we go. And I cannot find my list anyway, so we'll just go and steal it from another page. It's in another page of the breaks, not from another page. I have the list right here. 5 times, here we go. 5 times, here we go. Alrighty, 1. Oh shit. Start a new list. Here we go. 1. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. The top team is the West Ham. Old East Pig. Newcastle on bottom 5 times. Here we go. Let's do this thing. Here we go. Oh, thank you, Gareth. Carl, enlargement surgery was a massive failure. They said, sir, this surgery's already been done on you. We can't do it on you again. I was like, no, trust me, it hasn't. Like, sir, we know something that abnormally big when we see it. And I was like, listen, man, I've not had the surgery yet. Here we go. Little bonus one here. Jack Stevens. Helder Costa. All right. Hendrick. Onamar. Kovacic. Silva Perez, the blue of Pierre-Emile Højbjerg. Ryan Fredericks, blue. Red of Meslier. And Atmosphere of West Bromwich. God-given. That is the cereal box down. Always a fun little addition. We've added these on for pretty much free in these breaks, so nothing to stress your pretty little heads about. Just a little bonus. Hopefully get some nice silver rookies, nice rookie variants out of them. There is a National Treasures NFL filling, but other than that, we're nearly at the end of the night. There's a fast break EPL, fast break NBA as well. Hopefully get that full. Saka, nice. Sorry, guys, all over the shop here tonight. Saka, Prizm sold out. You love to see it. Mahrez, blue, Lacazette. I'm bringing this hospital train. 195. And Robinson. I'm bringing this hospital ring. Red with blood stains. Never going to stop. Purple Ogbonna. That is number 299. Semedo and Mo Salah. Always include Mo Salah. Good little bonus there. I come back for more funds. Brownhill, Marshall, Emergent Lo Celso, Noble and Firmino. Tell you what, it is so much nicer, and I'm struggling having access to it back, to finally have a pinky finger back. Scorers Club, Grealish, Aguero, and little Billy Gilmore. That's what I thought, Shane. James Ward-Prowse, Willian, Anthony Marshall, Lucas Moura, and Kanu. Can you dig it? McBurney, Dale Stevens, Moutinho, Isabel Quetta. Blue, little Billy Gilmore. Number 195. I'll do a haircut tomorrow when I'm managing them, PT. Richarlison, Shah. I ain't doing it tonight. Pogba, too much thinking tonight. Silva, Timo Werner. Fernandinho. Robinson. I'll do some haircuts for it tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Atmosphere of West Ham, Alzate, and Tyler Roberts. Of course, big old night on Wednesday, because UFC is here. Osborne and ready to go on Wednesday night. Tierney, Lo Celso, Minamino. Well, it's not here, but it's in Australia now, and we'll either get it tomorrow or get it on the actual release day. Timo Werner, Stuart Dallas, Phillips. Josh Brownhill. Unless it is here. I have no idea. Left at midday. Bruno Fernandes. Rodrigo Moreno, Dendoka, and Sawyer. Left at midday. Was like, all right, off to the doctors. Sat there way too long. And then Teal coming up. Bernd Leno. Teal. That is number to just 49. Came back at like 340. Ate a whole bunch of Hungry Jacks and then did this. I had a pretty easy day. Azil Pilaqueta, Iwobi McGinn. Scorers Club, Chris Wood, Ailing, Adoy. Come on, give us something big to finish on. Big old 101. Burge, Smallbone, Issa Diop, Ibsuma, Maximin. Just received word. It is here. Matt Phillips, Winks, and Curtis Jones. And that is that for EPL Prizm 2951.